research. Therefore, there is a need to develop sustainable and responsible practices in the stem cell manufacturing industry that promote the ethical and safe use of stem cells and that foster innovation and collaboration across different sectors and stakeholders. This can include measures such as the development of standardized protocols and quality control procedures, the establishment of ethical and regulatory frameworks, and the engagement of stakeholders and the public in decision-making processes. Innovation and collaboration are critical components in the development of sustainable stem cell manufacturing technology, as they enable the development of new solutions and approaches, and the sharing of knowledge and expertise across different sectors and stakeholders. One area of innovation is the development of new technologies and processes that can improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the stem cell manufacturing process, while minimizing its ethical, regulatory, and environmental impact. This can include the development of advanced manufacturing technologies, such as microfabrication and 3D printing, that can enable the production of complex tissue structures, and the development of automated cell culture systems that can improve the scalability and reproducibility of stem cell manufacturing. Another area of innovation is the development of new sources of stem cells that can overcome the ethical and regulatory challenges associated with the use of embryonic stem cells. This can include the development of induced pluripotent stem cells, IPSCs, that are generated by reprogramming somatic cells, such as skin cells, to a pluripotent state, or the use of adult stem cells, such as mesenchymal stem cells, that can be isolated from various tissues, and that have the potential to differentiate into various cell types. Collaboration is also critical in the development of sustainable stem cell manufacturing technology, as it enables the sharing of knowledge and expertise across different sectors and stakeholders. Collaboration can involve partnerships between industry, academia, and government, as well as engagement with communities and stakeholders. For example, public-private partnerships can facilitate collaboration and knowledge sharing across different sectors and stakeholders, and can help to address the challenges of financing and scaling up innovative stem cell manufacturing technologies. However, innovation and collaboration also face challenges, such as the need for investment and resources, and the need for coordination and alignment across different stakeholders and initiatives. Therefore, it is important to develop effective strategies and frameworks that can promote innovation and collaboration, and that can address these challenges. Policy and regulation play a critical role in promoting sustainable stem cell manufacturing technology by setting standards and frameworks that reflect societal values and needs, and that encourage innovation and responsible practices. One area of policy and regulation is the development of standards and regulations for stem cell manufacturing that set minimum requirements for the quality and safety of stem cell therapies, and that ensure compliance with ethical and regulatory standards. This can include measures such as good manufacturing practices, GMP, that regulate the production and quality control of stem cell therapies, and clinical trial regulations that ensure the safety and efficacy of stem cell therapies in human subjects. Another area of policy and regulation is the development of economic incentives and disincentives that encourage the adoption of sustainable stem cell manufacturing technologies and practices. This can include measures such as tax incentives that encourage investment in sustainable stem cell manufacturing technologies and patent and intellectual property regulations that protect the development and commercialization of innovative stem cell technologies. In addition, policy and regulation can also play a role in promoting innovation and collaboration by providing funding and support for research and development, and by creating platforms